Each year since 1988, the city has asked each veteran group to nominate a veteran from their organization who had demonstrated outstanding volunteerism, support, and leadership during the past year for recognition as their Outstanding Veteran of the Year. At this time, the city would like to show our respect and gratitude to our local veterans by presenting the annual Veterans Awards along with an Outstanding Citizen lapel pin.
Heroes on the Water, Corporal Joshua Shakeshaft. Corporal Shakeshaft joined the Crystal Coast Camp Lejeune chapter of Heroes on the Water as a participant during this past year. He assists in planning, coordinating, and promoting chapter events that provide the opportunity for wounded and disabled veterans and their family to experience the healing power of fishing from a kayak on our beautiful coastal waters. Please join me in recognizing the Corporal.